Hey, what's up guys? Thank you for joining me in episode 3 of our warehouse/showroom makeover series. For those of you that don't know me, I'm Mike Samhori, owner of the Appliance Plug, and I'm excited to make you part of our journey. So stay tuned, follow along, and show me some love. Like and subscribe to our channel so you can get all the cool updates. Today, what I'm gonna do is show you guys some progress that we've made in the most recent weeks in just this whole process. Last time we primarily focused on new inventory, getting that organized, put in place to make it accessible, and then getting it into our inventory system. This time, because we are actually in the whole mix of this, we are open to the public and open for business. We had to spend some time on our showroom to make everything presentable. So I want to walk you through and show you what we've done in our showroom space, starting with working on appliance vignettes. This way we can properly display some appliances to show you what different suites and different brands, models look. Right here, it was one of the first vignettes that we actually put together. It's an LG vignette, shows you a nice studio package, and then really good looking product. But then we also put on some, another option in a different, the black stainless steel color. This again is still a work in progress, so we're being very selective in the models we display. We're primarily focusing on popular models and what's new on the market, what people would love to see and hear about, and in continuation, we're looking to keep things kind of put together based on the brand. So what we're also doing here, you're gonna set up some more vignettes to display some Samsung product. We also got some GE coming in here. We also got Whirlpool, Frigidaire, so more brands that are going to be displayed to really just show you some differences. This way, everybody has a little bit of a different style for everybody's likes and tastes. Additionally, we were also, so vignettes were the main focus and displaying product. Additionally, we wanted to add some character to our showroom, and I wanted to spice it up with color. I wanted it to be vibrant. I wanted it to be bright in here. As you can see, one of the things that we've done is we had these posts right here in the middle of the warehouse painted to match our branded red, the color in our brand and our logo. We also had the insides of the overhead doors painted. I love how that turned out. It just did so much. It made such a big difference, and we absolutely love that part. And then of course throughout, you'll also see that we put up some banners displaying the different brands that we carry. But also additionally to that same presentation, we had our warehouse floors epoxied, and you could see what they've done. They've brightened our showroom floor, and then also it just made it feel cleaner, look cleaner. It just, it's a warehouse, so of course, having just older warehouse floors, I just felt like it was just you could feel that, but this really did. I absolutely love the outcome of the floors. Like I said, the appliances just display so much nicer now. So that's one of the things that we've done. Part of our inventory display, as you can see, we got some outdoor grills on display now, and I'm super excited as to what's coming for this area. We got a lot of grill options, some additional brands we're bringing in. I don't want to tell you what they are because the displays are going to look absolutely beautiful. I'm going to set this up in a way that I don't want to ruin the surprise, but I'm excited to show you because I'm hoping that we should be able to have it done maybe by the next episode, but if not, definitely in the upcoming episodes. So we're going to have some additional, just like I said, the different grills. And I don't want to say too much, but that's that. Part of the organizing of the floor also included just rearranging the placement of the product to make it in a, presented it in a nice way of showing you options. And then over here, we also have this beautiful Electrolux display that we got our hands on the Electrolux twins, which are absolutely gorgeous. You can see how massive this is. I'm sure almost anybody would see how beautiful that would look in their home. This vignette's pretty cool. I love it. I love how it's got the LED lighting. It's lit up. It shows you a nice wall-mounted hood. You got the 36-inch cooktop on display, and then even showing you the option of going, whether it's you have electric, induction, or gas. So I love this display. They did a really good job on this display here. Obviously, you got the different options with for a gourmet kitchen, including your double oven. Again, still getting product in different places. We also put together the silhouette vignettes that show you some different options for wine coolers, beverage coolers. You got the French door option, the single door with the dual zone, and then the full upright wine cooler as well. Beautiful product, absolutely love it. It's definitely some nice stuff. And as you can see, just pretty much the progress that we're making in this area. We still got a lot of room to work with, which I'm super excited about. It's not so jammed in here, it's not so cluttered. We have so much more space that we're gonna still be doing some additional things and making some additional changes just to really get all the different brands that we like to display. But there's just the progress. Like I said, if you notice what it was like before, you could see definitely the difference and how far we've come along. Now, what we're planning to do in this whole process, one of the things that I'm gonna be doing, which is, of course, in the upcoming weeks, we're working on not only redoing our office space, but also introducing to you our amazing staff that has made all this possible, making it to where we could really just not only continue to do business day to day and help all of our customers, but also took a lot of patience to put up with me and me wanting to make sure things are perfect. So I'm excited to really introduce them to you guys, to tell you just to and also some of the different what their role was in this whole process. But once again, if you actually, this is also something super cool. I love how when we had our epoxy floor done, the company was awesome enough to go ahead and allow me to be able to stamp our logo right under the epoxy and have it just really look great. I turned out awesome, but once again, I think everything for me around the presentation of our showroom really was around branding and of course the image that we wanted to put out there as a business. We're definitely not only pride ourselves on excellent service, but our presentation is also very important to us. But once again, thank you guys for following along. I really appreciate just all the feedback I'm getting. This has definitely been a really fun time for me just in sharing this whole journey with you guys. So show me some love. If you like this video, give me a like, subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe to our channel for future content. But for now, you don't want to miss the next episode. So see you guys next time.